In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the size of your page in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. By default, Microsoft Word's canvas or page is A4. So to change this, we need to go to Layout at the top of the ribbon, select Size, and from here we're given lots of options to pick from. You've got Letter, Tabloid Legal at the top for my American viewers, and then a traditional A4, A5, and A3 here. But of course, there are lots of custom ones to pick from. If your size is not there, you need to then select on more paper sizes. So I'm going to go back to the top and select onto A5. So before I do this, just notice what's happened on the canvas, because remember, this is A4. A5 is twice as small. So we need to look at the text and see what happens to the text when I change it to A5. So A5 requires 2 pieces of paper of A5 to make A4. So the text is now split across 2 pages instead of 1. Because of the impacts that changing the size of a page has, I would always suggest you do this at the start before you do any typing or formatting. I think it will save you a lot of time later on, because now maybe I need to have everything on one page. So I may have to do some changes on my font size or delete text altogether. So to recap, go to Layout at the top of the ribbon, select Size, and then select the size that you wish to have. And that's it. The page will automatically change to the size you've selected. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how to customize your page and margins, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.